skills to start a new career. You need to watch this if you struggle with finding opportunities. Join our mobile repairing course today. No experience needed, no age limit. Whether you're 18 or 80, we've got you covered. Learn all about mobile phone repairing from the basics to advanced techniques. And guess what? You don't need any prior education. Our expert, cross-teacher Damika De Zoysa, will guide you every step of the way. Located in Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka, this course is your gateway to a new career. Call us now at 0711571217 to get started. Remember, your future is just a phone call away. Let's fix your future, one mobile at a time.